Rob Frazier here. This video talking about multiple income funnel and lead lightning and my perpetual traffic plan. So multiple income funnel, lead lightning, and my perpetual traffic plan. So if you're watching this video, obviously you're familiar with easy one-up power lead system, lead lightning, traffic authority, text bot, multiple income funnel, power lead system, anything else. Forgot perpetual traffic plan, Rob Frazier, whatever. So this video I want to talk about basically combining. This is what I'm doing moving forward into 2021. And I will just want to share a little bit behind why I'm doing this. So first off, for beginners, if you're brand new beginner, just understand when you promote the multiple income funnel, you are not building your own email list. Now, there's nothing wrong with sending people to the lead capture pages here and the system here. However, if you want to build your own email list, and I highly recommend that you do, this is how to do it. And this is basically what I do, and this is how I get perpetual traffic as well. So if you watch the rest of this video, you're just going to learn exactly what I'm doing. The funny thing is I lay out exactly what I'm doing on YouTube, and only maybe 3% of the people actually listen and apply it, and the rest, I don't know. But this is the only thing I do. What I do is if you have a lead lightning or power lead system account, it is very simple, and you can get a lead lightning account for one time $7. One time $7, you got lead lightning. You can start to build your own email list, and you can include the multiple income funnel in it. So basically, you have MIF, multiple income funnel, plus PTP, my perpetual traffic plan, which includes lead lightning. That'll equal success if you just commit and follow this plan. I am not talking, this is not a review, this is basically tactics. This is what I do. So this is my back office of power lead system. If you have lead lightning, it looks exactly the same. All you do is in the back office, there's a getting started button over here, getting started tab, whatever you want to call it. Click on it, click the easy button. It's going to be the same thing for lead lightning. What this does is this will allow you to automatically use the power lead system, lead lightning, capture page, and autoresponder service. That'll allow you to start collecting leads, and it will automatically have an email campaign set up to promote lead lightning and whatever other business you want. In my case, I'm using the multiple income funnel. So I clicked on the getting started button, and I scroll down here, and I put my multiple income funnel links on a rotator. You don't have to do that. That's an advanced thing. That's an advanced tactic. You can do that, and I will do videos talking about that. But what I do, basically down here, this rotator, when you click on it, it just goes to my multiple income funnel links. It'll either go to my capture pages, or sometimes I have it going to the sales pages. But this is a multiple income funnel system. So what I do is I put my link back here, click update, then I can either use lead lightning, or if I'm upgraded in power lead system, I can use power lead system. If you're lead lightning, this right here is the capture page you're going to use. It's not the best one in the world. That's why I highly recommend upgrading to at least the power lead system. But this will allow you to start to build your own email list. I've met the owners of this system. They do not keep your leads. They keep your leads in your account. So if you have a lead lightning account and you send leads into the system, they will keep that information there. But power lead system will not email your leads on your behalf. If you're promoting, I should rephrase that. Power lead system will not email your leads anything that you don't want to email them, let's just say. When you have this page right here and people opt in, they're going to get put onto your lead lightning or power lead system email autoresponder. And this setup right here, having your multiple income funnel link programmed here, automatically you'll have 7 email messages in your Lead Lightning Power Lead System autoresponder. 7 messages will talk about your Lead Lightning link, promote your Lead Lightning link, and 7 email messages will promote whatever other business you want. In this case, multiple income funnel. That being said, if you upgrade to the Power Lead System, you can make different snazzier capture pages. I'm not saying that this one is the absolute best one in the world, but this is one of the capture pages that I use, and you can model any capture page out there using the Power Lead System. So what I do is I send people here first. When I buy traffic, or when I post videos on the internet or on YouTube or whatever the case may be, I send them to a capture page similar to this where I get the lead first. I get the lead first, and then once they're on my email list, then I'll send out the links to the multiple income funnel. However, again, if you're starting, if you're a beginner, if none of what I said in the past 6 minutes made any sense, then it's not for you, basically. Like I said, this is tactics. This is getting more into exactly what I'm doing. So I'll send traffic to this page. I also will insert a quick note. I do also use ClickFunnels, and I do also use a service called My Capture Page. So I don't just have just one capture page builder. Why do you have so many, Rob? Because being in this game long enough, services go down, services go away. Sometimes something happens and the whole Power Lead System goes under maintenance for sometimes a day. Just different things like that. So I always have different backups, if that makes sense. And what I do specifically is I follow my Perpetual Traffic Plan. And if you hear a bunch of crows outside in the yard, we got like 50 crows in the front yard. I don't know if that's being picked up here with the audio here. But what I do is I follow this Perpetual Traffic Plan. And this is basically a YouTube series. If I remember, I'll include a link below or include a little card above you can click on. This is how I work Lead Lightning and Power Lead System. So what happens is I send all of my traffic, everything I do on the internet, to these pages right here. When people opt in, then they get on my email list. Once they're on my email list, then they're going to get hit with my 1-2 combo. One email is going to talk about Lead Lightning. Next email is going to be multiple income funnel. Next email, Lead Lightning, multiple income funnel. And I just keep going back and forth, back and forth. And when people join me, I just share with them the same information. Get a Lead Lightning account. Step 1. Step 2, get your multiple income funnel set up. Join whatever programs you can in the beginning to get yourself going. And then follow the Perpetual Traffic Plan. They want to talk about getting traffic and building your email list with Lead Lightning. Day 2, I talk about upgrading the Power Lead System and going through the training and talking about what you're learning. And then as you send people to get that same training that you're getting, they're going to go to your Lead Lightning Power Lead System pages, and then they're going to get hit with both Lead Lightning, multiple income funnel, if you set your system up this way. So I know I threw a lot out there. This is what I do with all of my things online, and I just follow this whole plan, this Perpetual Traffic Plan. I talk about Power Lead System first 3 days. Day 4, I get into social media marketing, different places to, there's only 3 main ways of building a business online: clicks, content, and connections. You can either buy traffic, you can either put out content, videos, blog posts, social media posts, and the last one is connections. Making connections, building connections, networking with people. Outside of that, there's nothing else. You're either going to be buying traffic, posting content, and networking. That's it. And in my Perpetual Traffic Plan, I talk about all 3. Days 1 through 3, more so aimed at paid traffic. Day 4, social media. Day 5, content marketing, blogging, that kind of stuff. Day 6, talk about some books to get to help further your education. Day 7, I just kind of give a whole recap. And that's all I do. I follow this plan. I send all of my traffic to these pages right here. And once they're on my email list, I email the multiple income funnel. When they join me there, I share it with people who join me, my perpetual traffic plan, and I just keep looping it back. Keep looping it back. And also, if you're watching this, I got a perpetual traffic plan, a retirement plan, a money plan. I just need people to, I just want to share this with people because this is all I do. And it's sustained my income for the past, what are we, going on 6 years? 2015, started making a full-time income from home. And I've basically been saying the same thing since 2015. Business, marketing system, traffic, perpetual traffic plan, broke man plan. I've just been the same stuff. Some of the programs have changed, but for the most part, a few core programs have stayed the same. So, made this video way longer than I wanted. Information is below. Names Rob Frazier. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace!